Now, let's start for the case of prime and composite numbers. So stay tuned in. Ikiwa yani hujaona ile video ya odd or even, nitaweka pale kwenye description link yake, ama at the end of the video unaka kitu pale juu utaipata. Sawa? Okay, prime or composite number. Work out the factors of the following numbers, hence classify them as composite or as prime or composite numbers. Okay, let's start. Now, before you even need to know prime or composite numbers, you need to know working out factors, because that's the key factor that classifies them as prime or composite. So for the first example, we have 292, 339, we have 191, and we also have 165. So for the factors of 292 is a lot. We have 1, we have 2, we have 4. You can divide by 4, you can divide by 73. Okay, because even if you take 73 times 4 something, it gives you an answer. So also we have 146 as our factor, and also 292 itself. So in short, we have factors, we have numerous factors. So for the second one is also easy. For the factors for 339 is 131, 3, 113, because if you divide by 3 it gives you 113, and then lastly 339. For 191 it's supposed to be just 2. 1n is cell 1, 191, and for 165 we have 1, 3, 5, 11. Is it 11? Yeah, it's 11, 11, because you can divide by 11 as well. 15, we have 33, you can divide by 33, you can divide by 55, and lastly 165. Now, the ones that have more than 2 factors are what we call composite numbers. So this is composite, this is also composite number, but the ones that have 2 factors are prime numbers. So this is a prime number. 191 is the only prime number that you see here, but the others are composite numbers. They have more than 2 factors. Right, very easy. Now for this second question, you've been told consider the following numbers. We have 51 to 115. You've been told to list the factors of each number there. So let's start with 51. So the factors for 51 include 1, 3, 17, and 51. So we have 1, 3, divide by 3, obviously get 17, and lastly 51. The factors for 149, okay, which is this one, is just 1 and 149. So therefore this is a prime number. The factors for 56 is supposed to be 1, 2, 4. We have 1, we have 2, we have 4. We can divide by 7 to give you 8. So we also have 8. We have 14. We have 28. And we have 56. Another one, 73. 73 is a prime number. So we just have 1 and 73 only. So yeah. So we finish with 73. 111. Also, 111 is not a prime number. Be very careful, because you have factors of 1. You also have not 3. 111, yeah, you can divide by 3. Yeah, you can divide by 3. You also can divide by 37. You can confirm that, because if you divide by 3, obviously gives you 37. Therefore, you can also divide by 37. And last one, 111. Another one is 101. 101, the prime numbers is just 2. The factors are just 2, because it's a prime number. 1 and 1 or 1. Then we have 105. 105, we have a lot. We have 1, we have 3, we have 5, also have 7. and the answers, if you divide by 3, gives you an answer. So we have 15, we have 21, we have 35, and lastly 105. And then again we have 153. We have a lot of factors. 1, we have 3, we have 9. You can divide by 9, you can divide by 17, 51. But you need to see it in your calculator, in just in case I'm wrong. We have 51, we have 153, and then we have 89. 89 is a prime number, so we just have 2 factors, 1 and 89. Then we have 95. 95 is 1, we have 5, we have 19, and 95 is not a prime number. We have 103, which is just 1 and 103. And last but not least, 115, which has a factor of 1, 5, 23, and 115 in itself. So you've been told identify the composite numbers. Those are numbers that have more than 2 factors, and they include which one and which one, right? Now, if we look at this, the list itself, the first one, we start with 51, 56, more than 2 factors, 111. We have 105. We have 153. We have 95. We have 115. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and finally this one. So those are the composite numbers that we have. For the prime numbers, we have just few, and they include 149. We have 73. We have 101. We have 89. And last but not least, we have 103. Let me confirm if there's any that I might have omitted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So those are the only numbers that we have. So yeah, let's continue to there. Maybe is this the last question really? Okay, this is the last question. Work out the products of the largest and the smallest composite numbers from 41 and 60. So they don't include prime numbers. Come on. So the largest one is the one near 60, and that cannot be 59. 59 is a prime number. So the largest one is supposed to be 58. The number before 59 is 58. 58 has several factors. And the smallest one is the one that is ahead of 41. 41 is not included. 42. So yeah. So product 58 times 42. Let's see how much it gives you. It should give you 2,436. So quite good, right? So again, don't forget to subscribe, and let's still stay tuned in case you've missed the odd numbers and the prime and the even numbers. You'll see it at the end of this video. Just click on that video.